become much clearer through the years. We gathered round the boy in his army clothes, said goodbye, and his mother shed her tears. Every day she watched for the postman, but the longer-awaited letter was overdue. It's not the silence that makes you crazy, it's the sound of a heart breaking in two. Then it came across the ocean. It was hard to understand the awful news, and I don't know why I still remember. Guess it's just the Lake Placid blues. I turned 18 and left that part of the country. Went down on the Padre Island coast. Of all the hard times I still remember, the repossession of the guitar hurt the most. The paupers stood in line outside the mission, and I huddled there beside them in the rain. A priest came to the door with empty eyes. I could see he no longer felt their pain. Some were searching for forgiveness, and others only wanted food. I needed more than I could ask for. There is no comfort with a Lake Placid blues. It's hard to find good friends in a lifetime. You can usually count them on one hand. I shivered by the fire and the dawn was breaking, and they scattered his ashes on the sand. And the silver cranes came over in formation. In a sacred manner they flew, and I will always remember the sky, the Lake Placid blue.